So as you know, Magnific AI Precision V2 tool is one of the most powerful upscalers out there right now. And yeah, it's expensive as hell. You can only use it from Freepik or the official website. But today, I'll show you the best way to use it for free, up to 5 generations per day per account. So if you're a brokey like me, you can create as many accounts as you can. First, you need to go to imagine.art. I'll leave the link in the description. Create a regular account using your Gmail. Once you're done, you'll automatically get 100 free daily credits. Each upscale costs around 90 credits, so that's roughly 1 upscale per account per day. But here's where it gets interesting. Go to Teams, then hit Create Team. It's super simple. Just type a team name and you're done. Each team gets its own 100 daily credits. And you can create up to 5 teams per account. So that's 5 upscales per day from a single account. Yeah, that's kind of insane. Now let me show you the results. As you can see, the quality is very strong, and it's the exact same model as Freepik's Magnific. Look at this comparison. Same upscale, same quality, same 2 times. But over here on Freepik, it cost 180 credits for the exact same result. Now, the only limitation is that you can only upscale up to 2 times. But honestly, it doesn't matter. If your raw image is already high quality, say 4K, Magnific will push it even further. And if you tried to do that same upscale inside Freepik normally, it would cost you over 1,000 credits. So yeah, this is a big deal. And as I said, it's not going to touch the credits of your other teams, because each team has its own 100 credits per day. As you can see here, after the upscale, it only cost us 65 credits. So you've got 35 left, which honestly isn't enough for another upscale. Just switch to a different team and you're back to 100 credits again. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe. It keeps me going and helps me drop more tutorials like this one.